Biocon is a stock which is in focus. Remember, Biocon as a stock since the lockdown or since the start of the rally in March has done about 80-85% versus Nifty or Sensex doing about 60 to 70 odd percent. So it's been a big outperformer as far as this rally is concerned. Now there are three pieces of news flow as far as Biocon goes, and let me take you through all three of them. So one is the market share data. You get the market share data in the US based on the prescription, the retail sales that happened, and that is the data which is pointing out towards slight bit of negative market share versus what was there earlier. But again, nobody changes estimates on a month-to-month basis, so you need to track this. There are certain months where there are holiday, there are certain months where a seasonality plays come in, and that's why it's particularly quite important to track. Apart from that, they had a target date for a biosimilar which was about $7 billion, one of the blockbuster drugs. That is something which has got delayed. But on the other hand, the management clearly pointed out that it is only because of the FDA inspection not really happening in. So no major query coming in on that front or that particular drug. That is one of the key takeaways, but nevertheless that's not happening. Names like Goldman have come down and cut their EPS estimates by about 0.5%. It really doesn't change the needle as far as this is concerned. In fact, most of the people are now saying that once things start, this inspection would go through, and then probably you would come to know about the status of that drug. But as of now, status quo, and it's not only with Biocon that it is happening. Even worldwide, various other target dates or various other companies are being denied for this reason, and that is one of the key takeaways in terms of news flow. We are talking about Biocon also because Morgan Stanley, which actually has an equal weight rating on Biocon, has removed a tactical call as far as Biocon goes. So that is something which one must note or one must look forward to. They have said that there is a high probability that over the next 1 month, Biocon may be an underperformer. They're giving three reasons for that. One, of course, the drug delay that we just spoke about came in as a negative surprise. Then they are saying that valuations are now pretty high because the stock has done well. Apart from that, they are also saying that valuations are high, and that limits the upside from here on. And that's why they believe that there could be downside risk in the near term. However, their rating remains the same. They continue to be equal weight. They're not a sell. It's a tactical call that we are particularly talking about. So Biocon is in news for three reasons. One, of course, is the market share data, which comes in every month, every fortnight, based on which prescription you're looking at in the US market. Then they have a launch which has come up, as well as they have one of the drugs, bAvastin, where you have seen certain biosimilar rather, where you have seen a delay in the target action date. And third, of course, is this call coming in from Morgan Stanley, where they are tactically saying it could be negative over the next 1 month or so. It could underperform the markets over the next 1 month because of valuation and certain news flow which is not looking that great in the near term, according to them.